Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool paper airplane. Check it out. This is called the prize winner, and it flies awesome. Check this out. Oh yeah. So I folded that from a sheet of printer paper cut square, and here's one I folded from a 6-inch square of kami, and this is how this one flies. Whoa, just like that. Alright, ready to learn how to fold them? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this airplane, I'm going to use an ordinary sheet of printer paper, and we actually need a square. So to get a square, you just fold the short edge onto the long edge, like this. I'm sure you know how to cut a square, but just in case. Alright, and make it precise, and crease sharply. Okay, and then now turn over, and fold this up, making the fold line with the raw edge below. And crease that really sharp. And then unfold, and let's reverse this crease. Reverse it a couple times. Okay, and then reverse it again. Okay, and now you could use scissors to cut this part off, but I'm gonna tear it off. So if you are tearing it off, all you do is just make a little tear on the top right there. And then you place it down on the table and you just separate your hands, just like this. And the tear should go all the way down, just like that. And then you can throw away this part. And now let's fold the airplane. So if you're using kami, begin white side up and fold in half. But I'm going to use the printer paper. So if you're using printer paper, it doesn't matter which side. So fold in half like this. And then now let's make a kite base. So fold this edge to the crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, and then now rotate like this and fold this point to here, but just make a crease mark. Right there. And unfold. And now take this point and fold it to the crease mark. And this time we can fold all the way across. Just like this. Okay, and now we're gonna make a fold in between these 2 points. So fold it up in between these 2 points. Like this. Alright, and repeat on this side. So fold this up in between these 2 points. Okay, and then now unfold, and now we're going to reverse fold them. So we're going to open here and we're going to refold this, and we're reversing this part right here, like this, and just reverse fold it, like that, and repeat on this side. So open here, reverse this crease, like this, and then reverse fold it, just like that. Okay, and then now fold this point down in between these 2 points. And then just to make sure that you're perfect, make sure that this point aligns with the middle line. I'm looking at it from the back right here. Okay, and then make that fold nice and sharp. Okay, and now let's narrow this out. So we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle. And actually for this, I actually recommend just leaving about 1 millimeter space. See? Just about like that. You could fold it directly to it, but I'm just going to leave 1 millimeter space. Because we're going to fold this model in half, so we don't want it to interfere with the paper. But if you don't mind it interfering, then you just fold it to the crease. Okay, and repeat on this side. And again, I'm just going to leave a little bit of space. But you can fold it to the crease if you want. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna fold this in half like this. See? And it didn't interfere with the paper because there's space. Okay, and now let's make the wings. So I'm gonna do it on this side. So we're gonna fold this up and we're gonna anchor the fold right there at that point. And just fold it so that the fold we're making aligns with that edge. Like this. Increase sharply. And turn over and repeat on this side. And you can just fold this point to that point. Okay. Like this. And we are done. So here it is. The prize winner. Alright, and now let's see how this sucker flies. Okay, so to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary paper airplane. So all you do is you just hold it by the bottom right here, see, just like this. And you keep this side up and you just throw it like this. Whoa, just like that. Yep. And then again, here's what it looks like from 6-inch Kami. See? And it also flies good. And it just went behind there. Okay, one more time. Ooh yeah, flies fast too. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.